Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change time format in Windows from 24-hour format to 12-hour format. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer and as you can see guys, I'm using 24-hour format in my computer and I'm going to change it to 12-hour format. If we want to do that, we can go to the setting. I'm going to go to the start menu and then select settings, and we need to go to the time and language setting. Okay, then select the language and region, and here you have to scroll down until you find the regional format, and I'm going to click on that, and then here we'll be able to change the time formats. Click on the change formats, and then you're going to select the short time or long time, and I prefer the short time, so I'm going to change it in the short time, and we can choose this one, the one with the AM. Okay, and then as you can see that my time format has been changed to the 12-hour format. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change time format in Windows. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.